Hello everyone, didn't see you for a long time. I am listening. Today to show you what's happening in SWITEK again. Here's our workshop. My colleague is testing tools that of institute. I am the lower. Two buckets. One is the one, and the other one is the rectangle. The logic behind is two set of magazines for the labeling. This one is robot, ready to be delivered, and yellow one, and here also the other yellow one. Robot is custom made according to customers' requirement. Oh, forget this one. It is a special one. Special one for in-mold insertion. It's a secret that I will not tell you. What the product is producing. But I can tell you it is for Tesla, the plastic part for Tesla. The Tesla part. A very important part. The end of arm tools design is very, very complex. And the payload of this robot is super, according to its type, around 20 kilo. That's what we are doing today in SWITEK, for your better understanding of SWITEK. We are busy every day and looking forward to your new orders from SWITEK.